Hi, this is Crane with the Heart, and I am back with a project share, which I think I might do a tutorial on this because it's very, very simple to do, and I might just do the other paper that I have that came with the subscription box for the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. I'm using the Autumn Vibe, plus I'm using the ephemera. So it's a really, really simple little album. It's 6 by 5.5. It ties with some ribbon I have in my stash. You can use whatever you have. You don't even have to tie it off if you don't want to, because it closes really nicely. And I just kind of fooled around with it and just made it, it was pretty easy. So I did use a couple pieces of chipboard for the front and back cover. This is just cardstock, the spine. I did not do anything fancy with the spine. And I just decorate it throughout with the ephemera that matches that. So on this side, this is a place that you could write if you'd like, and then it just pulls out like this. So just decorated. It's got a place for pictures, so I didn't glue everything down all the way. But basically, you can kind of even see where I added my paper. So very, very, very simple construction, and I do really like how it came out, and I like this paper, how it was decorated. At first I thought I was going to make a gratitude album, but I just didn't want to do anything too fussy. I thought about maybe doing a tag album, which I might end up still doing. We'll see. But instead of doing like an October daily, I thought maybe I would do a tag album. And so I thought at first I was going to use this, but that just didn't work out. So it's just like a little accordion pull out, very, very simple. And so you can see that the spine, I believe, is a 1/2 inch. And so it closes really nicely, and then you don't have to really worry about if you put pictures or write or anything in there. There's like lots of room, so it's not going to bulge out on you. So really fun and easy, and stay tuned for the tutorial. I don't know when I'm going to have a chance to work on it, because I'm going to be doing a couple classes some of the weekends, but I am going to work on doing a little short tutorial on how to make this little brag book. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Crane with the Heart.